No more lectures. Gracias. Y'all, I'm happy. I'm happy. I am happy. Ding, 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 ding. All right, so I am going to get straight into this look. I'm pumped because it's about to be Valentine's Day. I'm going to take my Sunday Riley moisturizer. Looks like this. So I've been using this instead of my Bobbi Brown because I just ran out of it. And y'all, my skin is getting better. I'm definitely going to show y'all my skincare routine to give yourself an even skin tone. But them pimples like all right here and here and stuff, it was making me feel like a freaking turd, like seriously. So I'm definitely going to help y'all out because this skincare routine helped me out a lot. I'm telling y'all, this winter has been rough. It's been rough. So I'm taking my Pro Filt'r from Fenty Beauty. This is their primer. And I'm going to massage this into my skin. This has been helping a lot too. The skincare routine that I've been doing, I used to have a lot of bumps on my nose, but now I don't have any. Like, it's smooth. So I'm going to show, like, I really need to show y'all my skincare routine because this thing is serious. But now I'm taking my NARs, which is no more. I need to get some more tomorrow. I'm going to remind myself to get some more tomorrow. This is the NARS foundation in Tahoe. Like, it's literally nothing left in here. And I just keep scraping it. Like, it's nothing left, but it's just so good that I need to use every single bit of it. All right, so I'm gonna take my YSL All Hours foundation. Oh, this is running out too. What is life? Okay, all right, it's okay. I'm gonna take that and just go ahead and blend out my foundation. And just get behind my ears a little bit, down my neck a little bit. My foundation matches pretty well with my like chest. Like, it matches pretty good. I don't need to do too much blending down my neck because I'm like almost a pro. Let's do some concealing because obviously I like to eat, so I want to make my face look skinnier. So I'm about to highlight and contour. I'm using my Fenty Pro Filt'r Concealer. Honey, be cute. Be cute. It really is though. It's really nice. I like it. And I'm gonna take this other concealer. Well, it's the same brand, but just a different color because I do like to look a little more highlighted. You know when a pimple's about to come because it just hurts. And this area right here is hormones. What is going on in my body that's making me break out? What is going on? Oh, I already look like 10 pounds lighter. Okay, so now we're going to contour. I like to use two different contour, like cream contours. So this one is from Flash Beauty. This is their thick foundation stick. I'm gonna take my Makeup Revolution Conceal and Define and put that over top. And I'm gonna take my favorite little brush to blend out my contour. This is from MLTD Cosmetics. I do have a code. It will be on the screen. It is an affiliate code. If you want to use it, you can use it. If you don't, then you don't. But you might as well because it saves you some coins. Oh yes, I just lost 30 pounds on this side of my face. And remember to push your scarf back, ladies and gentlemen, because you don't want to look like you got a mask on. Oh my God, I got bronchitis.
Ain't nobody got time for that.
All right, let's go ahead and secure these bags, ladies. Secure the bag, all 2019, period. Do a little bit of reverse contour action. Just a little bit, yeah. Not too much, just a little tad. Gotta go down our nose, especially. Set this chin and set this big old TV screen. Next up, we're gonna take the contour palette from Dior because I'm bougie. Boop. I make my own sound effects. Who am I? But I'm gonna set my contour areas with that. Okay, let's get into these brows, sis. Let's get into it. Do a little bit of that, some of that brow gel, and boom, bang, bang, poon pang. go see my man after this. You feel me? So I picked up these stickers from Target. I'm gonna place it like right. No, I'm gonna place it right here. All right, so I'm gonna take Soft Core in the Ooh La La palette, and I'm just gonna start blending this as my transition color. Now, I don't know if this is gonna work or not. And you really wanna pack it where the heart is, I feel like, so that it can be pigmented. Alright, so I'm gonna take this color called Trove. I've never even heard of a Trove. And I'm gonna just start darkening up this smoky eye. I'm gonna take that Trove, whatever it's called, I'm gonna put it right on my bottom lash line. And I want it to be kind of, I want it to be really smoky on my bottom lash line, but I'm gonna first pack it there. But I always leave like this little corner right here alone because I don't want my eyes to look like they're super small. Doing that, it kind of like opens up my eyes a little bit, just a little, like the slightest bit. Now I'm gonna take some of this color called Bitten and pack this on my eyelid. Now I'm gonna take some Americano and Bitten and really deepen it up a bit more. But I'm gonna add some liner. I'm just gonna add a thin line. I'm gonna take some of this glitter glue from Anastasia Beverly Hills and put it right here. I'm gonna take my glitter and just pack it right on there. I'm gonna go ahead and add some black liner to my bottom lashes. It came out so nice. I really like this mascara from Colourpop. I think it's like their BFF mascara. It's really nice. Like, it separates my lashes, lengthens them. It's black, it's not gray. All right, I'm gonna add these lashes by my brand. It's called Brunette, and girl, these are full. Like, what? Okay, so now we're gonna highlight. I'm gonna take my Ofra Cosmetics highlighter. This is in Rodeo Drive. This highlighter makes me feel expensive. And of course, we gotta add some pink blush. Like, duh, the look is pink. Gotta add pink blush. This is a lip paint. It's by Lip Fanatic. It's this really brown lip, like matte lipstick. And I'm gonna take that color and use it as like my lip liner. All right, and then I'm gonna take some of this pink color from Huda Beauty, put that in the center. I'm gonna make a nice little ombre. Gotta take the pinky finger. Okay, and now I'm going to spray my face with the Morphe Continuous Setting Spray. And I can't forget to add some freckles, because yes, every look needs some freckles, right? Am I right? Am I right? Okay, now it is time to do my hair. I want to do something real easy and just straighten it because I really don't feel like it's already pretty much straight. But I'm gonna take my Silk Drop. This is the Ion Solution Styling Silk Drop. I'm gonna put a couple of little drops in my hand for this one side. All right, and now I'm gonna start flat ironing my hair, making this joint real straight. All right, I'm gonna take some of this Lotta Body. This is their mousse, just a little bit of it, and put it on my part so it can really lay down them fly away. Alright, you guys, so that is the end of this video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and found it useful, helpful, and hopefully inspiring. If you did, definitely give this video a thumbs up. Comment down below what you want to see next. Let me know if you want to see a different look for Valentine's Day. I probably will do another one, but just let me know. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Follow me on Instagram and Twitter. It'll all be in the description box below. So check that out, as well as the products. So definitely check it out. And I love you guys so much, and I will see you in my next video. Bye. Finally, I can chill. Finally, I can chill.
Please, allow me to show you something.